parallel to the ground. Core tight, squeeze your glutes at the top. Very important. Get full extension on the press. Starting position. Feet hip width apart, toes pointed forward. Maintain a good posture by drawing your shoulders back and keeping your core tight. From this position, you're going to raise the dumbbells up towards your shoulders, keeping them parallel to the ground, tucking the elbows in close to your body. From here, you're going to step onto the box, pushing through, pressing the dumbbells overhead, squeezing the glutes at the top before lowering them back down to your shoulders, switching legs and lowering yourself back down to the floor nice and controlled. That is 1 rep. We'll perform 10 reps on each side. Let's go. Step, press. Great job. Come down nice and controlled. Step up and press. Up and press. Make sure your feet stay straight. Push through the box and press. Great job. Keep the dumbbells parallel to the ground. Core tight, squeeze your glutes at the top. Very important. Get full extension on the press. Focus on form, focus on position, and up, press. Stay nice and controlled. Get full extension. Keep the core tight. Form is always key. Make sure to glance down at your feet. Make sure that they're staying nice and straight. Squeeze your glutes at the top. Great job. Press. Come on, we're almost there. Finish strong. Last one. Come up strong. Press. Control it down. Great job.